Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach color. We'll start by understanding the fundamental colors that form the base of this lovely hue. Then, we'll explore how to fine-tune your mix to achieve the perfect shade, whether you desire a soft pastel or a vibrant, juicy peach. Get ready to blend your way to beautiful results. To create a beautiful peach, start with a base of red and yellow. Think of a ratio of about 2 parts yellow to 1 part red for a warm, inviting orange. Then, gradually introduce white to this mixture. White is essential for transforming that orange into a soft, delicate peach, lightening the color considerably. Once you have your base peach, you can adjust its hue and saturation. For a warmer, more vibrant peach, add a little more red. If you prefer a lighter, sunnier tone, incorporate additional yellow. A tiny drop of blue can subtly desaturate the color, while a small amount of brown can create a more earthy, muted peach. Achieving the perfect peach requires careful observation and gradual adjustments. Always mix your colors thoroughly on a palette first. Test your peach on a scrap surface to ensure it matches your vision before applying it to your main project. Remember to add colors in very small increments, as a little goes a long way. Observe your color under various lighting conditions for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.